case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the quiet corner of Iowa, an immense cottonwood tree, reputedly the largest of its kind in the state, towered over farmland owned by descendants of pioneers. Regarded with pride and steeped in nostalgia, the tree, along with 27 others, had been standing resolutely since 1873, planted meticulously by the ancestors to achieve a land patent from the uniquely American Homestead Act. However, in 1990, it found itself at the center of a landmark legal tussle, Bangert v. Osceola County. The lawsuit was initiated by the property owners, who woke up one day to find their dear trees, the cottonwood amongst them, unceremoniously felled by ruthless saws. The perpetrator was the Osceola County itself, which, while intending to improve a road, deemed the historic trees expendable in spite of their historic and sentimental value. Unfazed by the suggestions of alternative routes, the county trespassed and removed the trees without seeking permission, stoking the embers of a legal feud. Boldly pushing back, the plaintiffs took the county to the trial court, claiming compensation for their deforested land and the dented fence. They faced a counter-argument from the county, firmly asserting that its rights to the trees and the road were established via prescriptive use. Despite the noisy clamor of the county's assertions, the trial court stood by the Bangers and handed them treble damages for the unauthorized tree removal, and additional damages for the impacts on their crop and fence. However, the story didn't end there. The county, disgruntled, appealed the decision. The matter escalated to the Iowa Supreme Court, which was tasked with unraveling this tangled dispute. After intense consideration, the court upheld the trial court's decision, affirming that the county was indeed liable for the damages and agreeing with the penalty of thrice the cost. The judgment went beyond just upholding the fine. Its real significance laid in the assessment of damages. Veering away from the trial court's decision, the Supreme Court suggested a recalibration of the compensatory amount, considering intrinsic damages. The sum was not merely to be rooted in the commercial value of the tree's wood, especially when the trees carry a significance deeper than being raw materials. The retrial was decreed, with the empathetic aim of compensifying the plaintiff to an extent that made it seem as if the regrettable wrong had never occurred.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.